Good evening, everybody. How are you all? I hope all of you are doing extremely well. Okay, so today in this particular video, we are going to start from the conversation of two friends in French. Okay, so in this conversation, first of all, let me tell you one important thing that here, many of the times, actually most of the times, it's written ami A and ami B. So ami means friend in French, and here ami A means friend A and ami B means friend B. So we will be talking about two friends in the name like friend A and friend B. Okay, so without any further ado, let's get started with our today's topic. Okay, so the first friend Amia, that is friend A, speaks Bonjour, comment allez-vous? That means hello or good morning. How are you? Ami B, je vais bien. That means I am fine. Amia, quel âge as-tu? Ami B, je vois un. Quel âge as-tu? That means how old are you? And je vois un, that means I am 20 years. Amia, quelle est votre qualification? Quelle est votre qualification? That is, what is your qualification? Ami B, je suis diplômé. Je suis diplômé as in I am graduated. Amia, quelle est votre profession? What is your profession? Ami B, je suis écrivain. I am a writer. Amia, dans quelle ville habitez-vous? In which city do you live in? Ami B, j'habite in New York. I live in New York. Amia, vivez-vous avec vos parents? Do you live with your parents? Ami B, oui, yes. Amia, avez-vous aimé votre métier? Avez-vous aimé votre métier? That means, do you like your job? Ami B, oui, yes. Amia, comment s'appelle ton frère? Comment s'appelle ton frère? What is your brother's name or what is the name of your brother? Ami B, le nom de mon frère est Harry. The name of my brother is Harry. Ami A, profitez-vous de la vie? Profitez-vous de la vie? Profitez-vous de la vie means that, are you enjoying life? So Ami B, oui, that means yes. Okay, now we have Ami A is again asking, pouvez-vous m'aider à gérer mon temps? Pouvez-vous m'aider à gérer mon temps? That means, can you help me manage my time? Can you help me manage my time? So Ami B, oui, yes. Ami A, vous semblez être une personne honnête. Vous semblez être une personne honnête. That means you seems like an honest person. Ami B, merci. Merci, that means thank you. Ami A, j'aime votre comportement. J'aime votre comportement means I like your behavior. Ami B, merci. Again he's saying thank you. Now if you want to say thanks a lot to someone, so it will be merci beaucoup. Okay, merci that means thank you, and thanks a lot, that is merci beaucoup. Okay, so this was all for today, and I hope this much is clear. And okay, so let's meet on next Sunday with another interesting and very cool topic. Okay, bye bye for now. Take care.